Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2016 66 plate Mini Cooper S. Now, very lovely looking car, very sporty looking car. So we've got the full exterior John Cooper Works body kit. So different front and rear bumpers, different side skirts. We've got a boot lip spoiler on this one, different alloy wheels, and then this one's got the sporty interior as well. So this is a mega specification car. We're finished in pure black, which is one of the best colours for these cars. Obviously lots of red accents being the Cooper S with the John Cooper Works styling. So we've got the S badge in the red. We've got the bonnet stripes going through to the roof and the boot. We've got the side stripes as well with the John Cooper Works decals. Alloy wheels are 17-inch, 5 twin spokes, finished in gloss black with the John Cooper Works centre caps. They come standard from the factory when you opt in for the John Cooper Works kit. We've got privacy glass, nice sporty spoiler, and then we've got the red diffuser on this one as well. John Cooper Works badging, Cooper S badging. Coming through to the boot, you get quite a bit of luggage space, split folding rear seats if you need more room, bit of added storage under there as well. Looking down the side of the car, paintwork is all in nice order. Mirror caps, looking down the door edges, bumper corners, you can tell the car's been well looked after. But then inside we've got the half leather and suede cloth sport seats, so this is a nice option. Much more supportive seats. John Cooper Works kick plates. Looking into the car, looking into the back seats look like they've never been sat in. And then jumping inside, we'll turn that music down. So we've got front electric windows. We've got the leather multifunction steering wheel on this one as well. That's a nice factory option. Again, red accents all the way throughout. We've got voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. On the other side, you'll find your cruise control, speed limiter. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, onboard computer. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 30,365 miles, which is absolutely nothing. Center screen, this is the upgraded screen, so we've got satellite navigation, we've got our rear parking sensors engaged at the moment. SAT-NAV, very responsive, very easy to use. We've got our settings, we've got vehicle information. Let me show you through to this. So very impressive, and not something you normally see on a car of this age, is that stunning service history. So as you can tell, 7,000 miles, 11,000, 17, 20, 23, 24, 28. It's always gone back to the Mini main dealer. Then we've got other features, so multimedia, so you've got your music streaming, full DAB radio, all the extended channels. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated front seats, 6-speed manual transmission. Being the S, it's a very fun car to drive in manual. You've also got the sport modes, so flick it into sport and you've got maximum go-kart feel, and they do feel like a go-kart when you're driving them aggressively. Green mode just prompts you when you're driving, tells you how you can improve on your braking, acceleration. Central armrest, another thing that you don't normally get on these minis, and a fantastic factory option that's overlooked a lot of the time. But yeah, center armrest, fantastic for those longer journeys. All the documentation is there that we have, so vehicle's already been through our workshops, it's been pre-delivery inspected, and is more or less ready to go. So if you're interested in this car, give us a call, 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Well, thank you for watching.